If your GA4 events feel confusing, inconsistent, or unreliable, you're not alone. Most GA4 setups fail not because of the tool, but because events are implemented without clear logic. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up GA4 events properly, step by step, so your data actually reflects what users are doing and what matters to your business. In GA4, everything is an event. Page views, clicks, form submissions, all events. But here's the key difference from older analytics tools. GA4 does not decide which events matter. You do. A proper GA4 setup starts with defining meaningful actions, not tracking everything that moves. Before touching GA4 or Google Tag Manager, you need clarity. Ask these questions. What actions indicate success? What actions indicate strong intent? What actions are just noise? Examples of good GA4 events: form submitted, demo booked, purchase completed, lead generated. Examples of bad or misleading events: button click with no outcome, page scroll, page view marked as a conversion. Tracking fewer, clearer events leads to better decisions. GA4 gives you two main ways to create events. Directly in GA4, recommended only for simple cases, through Google Tag Manager, recommended for most setups. In most real-world cases, Google Tag Manager is the right choice because it gives you control over. When events fire, what conditions trigger them? Preventing duplicates. The key rule is simple. An event should fire only after the action has successfully happened. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people assuming events work because they show up. Before trusting any event, use GTM preview mode, trigger the action yourself. Confirm the event fires once, check it appears in GA4 debug view. If an event fires too early, too often, or inconsistently, it's not ready. Once your event is firing correctly and only when it should, you can mark it as a conversion or key event. In GA4, important things to remember. GA4 does not backfill conversions. Mark events only after testing one conversion per outcome. More conversions does not mean better data.